This material is for information purpose only. However, no update service will be furnished to maintain current revision. It cannot be relied upon to perform any maintenance task on the aircraft or to meet safety or regulatory requirements. Please do use the current revision and effectivity of aircraft maintenance manual prior to carrying out any maintenance task respectively.
On an Airbus 320 or 330, the aircraft ventilation system is automatically controlled by the avionics equipment ventilation computer, and no crew action is required provided the blower and extract push buttons must be in auto position. The avionics equipment ventilation computer will change the system configuration depending on whether the aircraft is on ground or in flight and based on aircraft skin temperature. Vent indication on ECAM cabin pressure system display page displays white if it is normal, whereas in amber in the case of a vent blower and extract fault or any other avionics system fault exists. The inlet valve admits outside air into avionics equipment compartment. Inlet valve indication on ECAM cabin pressure system display green if it is either fully open or fully close. In amber open or close if valve position disagrees. In amber half open during transit. And amber XX if the valve position unknown. Blower and extract indication on ECAM cabin pressure system do not normally displays. It will display amber blower vent and inlet in white if there is a blower fault. It will display amber extract vent and inlet in white if there is an extract fault. The extract valve allows the avionics equipment air to be expelled overboard. The outlet valve position displays green if it is either fully open or close or partially open. In amber fully open or close if the valve position disagrees. Amber double closes when the valve position is unknown. Ground cool valve is an optional, it can be found on Airbus 330. This valve displays white and green if it is normal and fully closed or not fully closed. And in amber when the inlet and outlet valve is not fully closed when at least one engine is running or during flight. On cockpit overhead panel, the blower and X-stacked push button usually is in auto position. During this configuration it can operate in 3 different configuration. It can be in open configuration if the aircraft is on ground, the thrust levers are not in takeoff position and skin temperature is above specified value. Secondly, it will be in closed circuit configuration when the aircraft is on ground or in flight and the skin temperature is below specified value. Thirdly, in intermediate configuration when the aircraft is on ground at takeoff power or in flight and the skin temperature is above a specified value. When either the push button switch is in override positions, the system is in a closed configuration and adds air from air conditioning system. With the blower in override position, its fan stops. When both push button switches are in override position, air flows from the air conditioning system and then overboard. Only the extract fan continues to run. This system is in smoke configuration. If fault light appears on blower push button switch, meaning the blower pressure is low, or duct overheat, or smoke warning activated, or other avionic equipment ventilation computer problem. If fault light appears on extract push button switch, meaning the extract pressure is low, or smoke warning activated, or other avionic equipment ventilation computer problem. The optional ground cool push button when in auto position, the inlet and outlet valves open, the fan and the ground cooling unit starts automatically with aircraft on ground. Both engines stopped, and high temperature of avionics ventilation air. In fault position when a failure is detected in the ground cooling unit or the valve or the fan. And finally in off position will put the fan to stop, closes the valves and ground cooling unit.